Good morning, cyber traders. Happy New Year's Eve. Good to see you all. Welcome, everybody. Good to see you, Phil. Good morning to you, too. All right. Just want to check the chat over here, get this squared away. All right. So, very interesting morning. Crazy day happened yesterday. A lot of really good stocks, getting a good move on some of the stocks in the market this morning. Finally, a lot of greens. I mean, my God, I was getting nervous. I sold out of a few positions yesterday. A little disappointed. I probably sold them a little too nervous, but they're not up that much. I think I'm pretty much there. I held a couple of them. I sold my iBid. I'm thinking I'll probably buy it back, but it's been hovering here at that price. I saw Bitcoin, obviously. What's going on with Bitcoin over here? Came back a little bit, it was up about 2,000. We're back to like 95,000 on Bitcoin, but we'll keep an eye on the ETFs and stuff. But overall, there's been a lot of really cheap stocks that were moving this morning. My God, great day for yesterday. We'll look at some more today. You got this APM up 268% so far. Nice spread. There's a lot of inexpensive stocks out there. But before we go there and go through that watch list, let's talk about what happened yesterday. All right. So we had the stock Halo that moved really nice. And you could see that how these stocks turn into a day trade, into a swing trade. This Halo yesterday, we did great on it. The stock did really good early in the morning, started around $3, shot up right around $5. Then it had an afternoon move. You could see it was a perfect setup, what we teach you in all our classes in phase 1, 2, and 3. The trend is your friend. You don't buck the trend. Boom, stock tested that new high going into the afternoon, went from 5 all the way to a whopping 7. She's moving up again this morning, up 12%. She had made the Fausto watch list again. All right. That was one good stock. And by the way, some of you remember this stock back in February. This thing ran from $7 up to $2,000. Yes, that did happen. Okay. And if you go back and you look at some of the recordings, go back. Listen, we got over 3,000 videos on YouTube. Go look back on this date. Go with what date is that? That was when it went from 66 to 300. Go back February 2024 if you want to see it. We all traded it. Not all of us, but anyway, it was if you made $1 on it, you should be damn happy. Anyway, bunch of other stocks I want to hit. FFIE was another one that also is going back on the watch list. There's another one that we traded back in May. You remember this stock was at $1.80, ran to about 160. She's moving again this morning. FFIE. That one's going back on the watch list again. Okay. Once again, day trades turn to swing trades. Look at the stock. Trade at the highs of the day. Got into the close. Boom. And look what happened this morning. All right. That one. BBAI. Another nice mover. Going back on the watch list. Look how it turned into a swing trade down here to the bottom. As a day trade. Turned into a swing trade. Just broke all-time 52-week highs. BBAI. Back on the watch list. I'll tell you, good day for you guys to show up for work today. RCAT, another one that did great yesterday. The drone stocks. Hopefully everybody watched my video on Archer. Now, I sold Archer, yesterday. I sold it, started trending down. I didn't like it. Listen, I owned it right around 6. You know what? It turned into a day trade, turned into a good swing trade and a little bit of a longer. I want to take some profits. It was up all the way up here. I might buy it back, but the RCAT is not backing off, okay? So RCAT, you could see it. It's at the highs of the day. It looks like that one did really, really well on the drone stocks. Obviously, the whole invasion in Jersey and all that good stuff, all right? What else? 2 more stocks I want to bring up that moved yesterday that might turn into this morning. Watts was another nice, very inexpensive stock, very tradable. Stock went from $1.50 to about $2.50 in the afternoon. It was a very good morning mover too. Ran from $1.25 to about $2. Listen, you know what? You don't need to kill it. You know what I mean? 50 cents on 1,000 shares, $500, $100,000 salary is not a bad job. 2 more stocks I want to bring up. IDAI, another AI stock that did really well going into the afternoons. That stock has also been a good little swing trade. And MLGO is last. That one is also moving again. It was one of these crazy stocks back in June. Some of you remember it went from 70 up to 500. And then obviously it was a big short squeeze. I'm going to put it on the B list, okay? MLGO. Now listen, let's turn the page. We found some stocks from yesterday. They spilled into today, but there are some more that are moving this morning. Now, where's the first place we're going to go check? The big percentage gainers. So you got this APM that's moving this morning. All right. Now, what do we do here at Cybertrade University? What do we teach you what to do? Look at the right of the chart, not the left of the chart. The left of the chart is your indicators, everything. The right of the chart is where the orders are. So as of right now, I'm getting a lot of orders starting to show up. That's why it's pushing down right now, even though we had this really nice pop around 7 o'clock this morning. Look at all the orders. You got $6, 15,000, another 20,000 at 560. You got a ladder down around 520. So she's trending down. Do I see any buyers out there? Not really. It looks like more sellers than buyers. All right. So I'll put this on the B list. It could change. Somebody could come in, step in when the market opens up and take those guys out. We've seen that happen. Okay. So, but it is the biggest percentage gainers. We're going to keep an eye on it. INCO. Let me put this over here. INCO. Let's look at the orders. Nice trending stock. Very inexpensive. It's, you know what I feel about stocks under $1 when we start dealing with fractions of a penny. So I don't really care for these kind of stocks. I'll put this on the C list. Let me waste my time looking at it. This one also moving up really nice, but she's starting to trend down. Don't like to see that. So it's going on the B list. So far, nothing on the A list. FLYE was another really nice mover here. Great pop early. Now she's backing off. The stock got destroyed back in July. Some of you remember this stock. In one day, it ran from like $6.40 down to $1. And it went, Jesus, thing went all the way down here. 60 cents. Talking about, what is it, a pharmaceutical stock? Put this on the B list. So far, not super excited about it. We already know about this one, already on our watch list, the FFIE. That one already made it. That was from yesterday. MULN. We remember this stock. Look at this one. My God, another reverse stock split after reverse stocks. $1,600 stock this year. This thing was up to, is that right? 1.2 million? Jesus, talking about getting destroyed. How's the company still in business? After all those stock splits? Anyway, she's up today. Who knows? You know what? I don't care what the company does. I don't care where it was 2 years ago. I care where it's doing today, right? This one's going on our watch list. This one was another decent mover yesterday. LPSN. All right. That one looks pretty good. That looks like it was a gap up. Maybe it could have been earnings announcements. This one, 31. My God, we're 31%. I don't know. It's trending down. Not really what we're looking for. NXU, this was a good one yesterday. There's another one I forgot to throw on our watch list. That one did pretty well. She's gapped up. She's going down right now. She's gapped up a little too much. BNAI, another AI stock. And, God, 24, 23. What is all this crap? Never see this many amount of stocks in their watch list on the last day of the year, more or less. So this one just keeps going up. Now she popped. You know what? Orders got filled. Okay. Orders got filled. ONCO. I'm going to take it off the B list. She just made the A list. All right. I'm just going to go hop over here, look at the most active. Sometimes you'll see something that will show up. Any brand name stocks in there? RGTI. Remember that one? Look at it. Damn, this thing won't back off. I got to put this on the back of the watch list. This stock is holding strong. Remember, they got this new chip that they came out, this super chip, and it's just not backing off. That one. Tesla, I saw it up a little bit today. No brand name stocks. All right, you got the OPTT that's moving. That was moved up from yesterday. OPTT. I'll put that on the watch list. TPET, big pop early, petroleum stock. Boyle's on the losers list. We saw that was on a really good move yesterday. BBAI, it's moving up. Another AI stock breaking. Look at that. BBAI, new 52-week high, right? Is it ever too late to trade AI stocks? I don't know. I haven't seen them back off yet. All right. We're done. That's a wrap. All right. So the what's going on with the stock? Okay. So let me just show you the right of the chart on the stock right here. I'm not seeing any sellers. No sellers out there. I'm not seeing any sellers. All right, well, you read between the lines, cyber traders. You know what we tell you. We don't tell you what to buy. We don't tell you where to get in, where to get out. We just teach you where to read between the lines, all right? We teach you, remember, you got to hit the button at the end of the day. We just show you the watch list. We teach you in class where you learn how to do it and where to get in, get out. All right, guys, let's get ready for the market to open up. We got about 15 minutes. If you're watching on social media, everybody, take your phone, scan the QR code. We'll be back here. We're here all day. We're here live every morning at 9 a.m. and at 2:30, broadcasting on social networks. But if you want to come and join our professional trading room, where all the traders are right now, we're here all day broadcasting. And you know what? There's going to be a bunch of new stocks that are going to come up. So with that said, let me just wish everyone a happy and healthy new year. By the way, did anyone make any new resolutions going into next year? I got like 5. I think they say you got to make minimum 5, maybe 10. And hopefully you can do about 20, 30%. Any new resolutions? Anybody did any? Anyone came out with any good ones? Just give me a yes or no. My biggest thing is I want to be stronger. I lost about 50 pounds. Now I want to put about 10 to 15 pounds worth of muscle. That's my biggest thing. I got to get stronger. Yes, I'll try to make more money at CTU, Samuel said. That is also my ultimate goal too. That's one of them. Health, listen, health is the most important thing for everybody, right? If you, regardless how much money you have, I know some people, the richest and wealthiest and most miserable people, and died with it. Let's worry about our health, right, everybody? I think that's our first thing, and then we'll worry about making money later. All right. Good luck, everybody. We'll be back in 15 minutes. Don't go anywhere. Go flip your coffee. Let's get ready for the market to open up. If I don't see you all, I'll see you next year. All right. All right, everybody. Good. And remember, market's closed tomorrow. If you're from out of this country, just let you know. See you, everybody. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.